The 4K FPV Foldable Drone E58 by TizzyToy is equipped with a 4000-pixel 120° manually adjustable lens and a 110° wide-angle lens, providing a broad shooting range and a breathtaking view. This drone allows you to capture every moment from a bird's-eye perspective and enjoy 4000-pixel pictures and videos through the application, making it possible to share your experiences on social media easily. The brushless motors of the drone enable the fan blades to reach higher speeds, while the built-in altitude hold system maintains the drone at the desired height, backed by strong wind resistance capabilities due to optical flow ground detection. Packaged with a carrying case, two 1600 mAh batteries, and extra fan blades, the drone ensures up to 40 minutes of flight time, standing out in its category. The drone offers multiple functions including high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3-speed gears, gesture control, headless mode, 1 key takeoff landing, altitude hold, 360-degree flip, low battery warning, and emergency stop, making it suitable for both beginners and expert drone users. Customer service is available 24 hours a day, and the drone comes with detailed video tutorials and comprehensive manuals to assist users, making it an excellent choice for a gift.